Introduce use from Team A. Name is Muhammad Anggil. Number D1C224015. Ivan Julian Pratama. Number D1C224056. Sukamto. Number D1C224054. Dimas Ramadhani. Number D1C224025. Chico Diva Aryani. Number D1C224062. Indonesian culture is very rich and diverse, reflecting the diversity of ethnicities, language, and tradition that exist in this country. Like ethnic and language diversity, Indonesian is the national language, but regional languages such as Javanese, Sundanese, Minangkabau, and many others are also widely used. Traditional and custom. Each ethnic group has its own traditional and custom which are rich in cultural values. For example, traditional wedding ceremonies, regions, ritual, and cultural festival vary in each region. Traditional clothing such as kebaya for women and batik or yudeng for men are also an important part of Indonesian culture. Indonesian culture continues to develop and adapt with changing times, but still maintains its rich and diverse traditional roots. Culture is a system of values, beliefs, habits, and way of life shared by a group of people. Therefore, each country has a unique and different culture. Here are some basic differences between foreign and Indonesian culture, which we will discuss in more detail.
1. How to interact. Indonesian people tend to be warmer, friendlier, and more social. We often greet friends or family with a smile, handshake, or even a hug. We also highly value interpersonal relationships and social hierarchies. Abroad, in some countries, social interaction can be more formal or individualist. For example, in Western countries, people tend to maintain more personal distance and focus more on personal matters. 2. Concept of time. Indonesian people are often more flexible in managing their time. We often tolerate delay and priorities relationship over strict schedules. Abroad, many countries abroad value time highly. Tardiness is considered rude and can disrupt other people activities.
Number 3. Self-expression. Indonesia. Indonesian people tend to be more protective of other people's feelings and avoid open conflict. We prefer to find solutions through deliberation. Abroad, in some countries, people are more open in expressing their opinions and emotions. or even it means causing debates.
Number 4, family role. Indonesia, the family has a very important role in the lives of Indonesian people. Important decisions often involve the extended family. Abroad, in some countries, individuals are encouraged to be independent and make their own decisions without involving family too much.
Conclusion: culture is a reflection of the identity of a nation. Cultural difference between Indonesia and abroad are normal and we should be grateful by respecting and understanding each other. We can live side by side peaceful.
5. Region and belief. Indonesia. As a country with diverse regions, Indonesia upholds tolerance and mutual respect among different faiths. Abroad, in some national region has a significant influence on daily life and even national law. 6. Food. Indonesia. Indonesian cuisine is rich in flavor and variety influenced by different cultures. Rice is the staple food. Abroad, each country has its own unique culinary tradition with different ingredients and cooking methods. 7. Clothing. In Indonesia, traditional Indonesian clothing is diverse, reflecting the rich cultural heritage of the archipelago. Abroad, traditional clothing in other countries varies as well, often influenced by climate and history.
Factors influencing cultural difference. Historical events shape the culture of a nation. Geographical conditions such as climate, soil, and natural resources affect how people live. Religion significantly impact the values and norms of a society. Political system and governance shape the cultural framework of a nation. Economy, a country, economic conditions influence its lifestyle and consumption patterns.
Conclusion: cultural reflects the identity of a nation. The cultural differences between Indonesia and other countries are natural and should be appreciated.
Belum tidur.
Woi, hujan tuh.
Ngapa emangnya? Nggak tahu besok. Besok nak ke kampus dulu nunggu dosen PA.
Wah, tuh udah sampai itu. Apa?
Ke kampus dulu nunggu dosen PA.
Ada masalah.
Penting.
Hah?
Enggak tahu ngapa ibu tuh nyuruh buat anak.
Jam berapa?
Pagi jam 8.
Apaan, Bu? Kita bisa jauh. Bisa antara aku baru. Tidak usah lah isi minyak aku udah bawa aku sama sekali. Yuk, nyusul betul.